Today in my kitchen, I'm gonna show you how to make a drink with lion's mane powder. I've been making this for a few months now and I thought it was about time that I showed you how to make it. I've written a whole ton of information about lion's mane. It's really good for the brain apparently, good for brain fog, memory and focus apparently. Ton of information about that in the link. Go check that out. Remember to subscribe to my channel, but for now I'm going to show you super quickly how I make the most delicious lion's mane drink. You need a bullet blender for this. We're going to put 10 cashews in our blender, a teaspoon of lion's mane powder, 2 teaspoons of lucuma powder, 2 teaspoons of coconut sugar, or you can use maple syrup. And then we're going to use 350 milliliters of water, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then we're going to blend it up for about a minute until everything is nice and creamy smooth. Then we're going to put it in the pan, bring it to the boil, and then you've got yourself a really nutritious, creamy, delicious vegan lion's mane drink. Subscribe to my channel. Let me know how you get on.